Hey YouTube, this is another video. Find Lego Star Wars review, which will be on the ARC 170 or 170 Starfighter. First off the box. 8 through 14, number set 8088. Onto the Starfighter, obviously, and 396 pieces. So yeah, now put the box over. Characters. The Kit, wherever he is. Kit, Jig, Pilot, and little asteroid droid. So, the other sets are shown right there. Not really any good to pay attention to those, but here it is. Here are some of the features it has that I will be showing you today. So, start with the minifigs. My favorite too. Or, just look at the instructions. Here are the instructions. Neat, you gotta flip it over. Then, it comes in, has a lot of steps, but it's a fun one. Do something when you're bored. Comes with separate little baggies. Actually, pretty nice. And wait, let's see. Oh no, file box. Okay, comes with R4 P44. Way new and improved clone pilots. Then comes with the newly made Captain Jake. I don't know if any of you heard of him, but just a little information. He's the guy who killed Plo Koon in Order 66 in the third episode. Is everything the same except he is blue. And I have minifig of him. And Kit Fisto. Weird head, feels odd. Robes, lightsaber. One's head torso. Shakes him back down. Alright, now let me angle this. So it works out. There. There you go. Now we can go closer. Right there. Okay, Captain Jake. This guy. He goes in the main one, controlling the ship's systems and whatnot. And then his co-pilot goes in to the back as a back gunner. And yeah, the doors the windows do break a little, but pay no attention. And then Kit Fisto, I don't know, I just call this the passenger one. So it's right there. Or it's right down here again. Okay, right there. Yeah. Oh shoot, yeah. You gotta open up both these doors. Then place the asteroid droid right here. Right here. Okay, well crap. There. Now you're set. So now you can just close the windows when you get this, and then I'll show you some stuff. Very easy to grip. As you can see, I'm gripping it by the nose. You can grip it anywhere, but not the fragile spots. Like wings, I won't do. You can grip it upside down. Like that. Right here. Back on our turrets. Move. Back and forth. Some other stuff I gotta say. Right. So, in the back here, if you twist this, you see the wings will rise. If you can find which way, twist it, wings will rise. Oh. Yeah. Twisting this little back thing, and then you can make your wings spread apart. And then when they can't go anymore, it'll just get all loose. So, a little overview of it with all of its wings and stuff. Yeah, and then you push the wing thing in. There, fires out flick fire missiles. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Pretty awesome set, too. So I would recommend this, like the other review I did. Didn't notice the recommendation, and then yeah, so yeah, I just gotta get this. So yeah, pretty cool set. Thanks for watching. Bye, YouTube.